Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of organic chemistry, the chemistry of life.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Chemistry? Huh? Boring.
What?
But trust me, organic chemistry is everywhere around you. From the foods you eat, to the clothes you wear, the foundation of biology, medicine, and so much more. So buckle up because we're about to explore the amazing world of carbon compounds and discover why organic chemistry is so essential.
Organic chemistry is the study of carbon-containing compounds. Carbon is unique because it can form stable bond with itself and many other elements, creating a vast array of molecules with diverse structure and properties. Organic meant compounds derived from living organisms. But now, we can synthesize many organic compounds in the lab, like plastic and pharmaceuticals.
Think of carbon as the Lego brick of the molecular world. It can connect in countless ways to build everything from simple methane gas to complex DNA molecules. Let's cover some key concepts. First are the hydrocarbons, which are molecules made of only carbon and hydrogen.
First, we have alkenes, which contain only single bond. They saturated with hydrogen. And the second one, which called alkenes, which have at least one carbon double bond.
Then, there are alkenes, which have at least one carbon double bond.
And finally, we have alkyne, which have at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. The type of bond significantly affect the molecule shape and reactivity. Double and triple bond are stronger and more reactive than a single bond.
Next, we have functional groups. These are specific atoms or groups of atoms within a molecule that give it particular properties.
Common examples includes alcohol, ethers, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, amines, and amides.
Functional groups determine how a molecule interacts with other molecules, influencing its physical and chemical behavior.
Alcohols. Found in alcohols and phenols. They increase water solubility and can participate in hydrogen bonding. Example.
Ethers, relatively inert, often used as solvents. Example, diethyl and ether historically used as an anesthetic.
Aldehydes, reactively carbonyl compound with diverse application. Example, formaldehyde, used in resins and preservatives.
Ketones, similar to aldehydes but less reactive. Example, acetone, a common solvent in nail polish remover.
Carboxylic acid, acidic compound found in many natural products. Example, acetic and acid vinegar.
Amines, basic compound with a nitrogen atom. Example, amino acid, the building block of proteins.
Amides, formed from carboxylic acid and amines, crucial in peptide bonds in proteins. Example, acetaminophen, a common pain reliever.
Understanding functional groups is essential because they determine a molecule's reactivity, polarity, acidity, and other crucial characteristics.
Now, let's have a look some real-world examples. Organic chemistry is everywhere. In the food, the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats we are all organic molecules. Glucose, for example, in a simple sugar that provides energy.
In medicines, many drugs are organic compounds designed to interact with a specific target in the body. Aspirin, for instance, in a common pain reliever.
In plastic, polymers like polyethylene and polypropylene are made from long chain and carbon atoms. They are used in everything from plastic bags to car parts.
Fabrics. Natural fibers like cotton and wool, as well as synthetic fibers like nylon and polyester, are all organic materials.
Soap and detergents. These molecules have hydrophilic, water-loving, and hydrophobic water-feeding, and allowing them to dissolve grease and dirt in water.
Organic chemistry plays a crucial role in many different fields. First, in medicine, drug discovery and development rely heavily on organic chemistry. Scientists synthesize and test new molecules to treat diseases.
Agriculture. Organic chemistry develop pesticides and herbicides to protect crops as well as fertilizer to promote growth.
Materials science, creating new materials with specific properties like stronger plastics or more efficient solar cells requires a deep understanding of organic chemistry.
Environmental science. Organic chemistry study pollutants and develop methods to clean up contaminated environments.
Cosmetics, from skincare to makeup, organic chemistry is used to formulate products that are safe and effective.
So, as you can see, organic chemistry is a vast and fascinating field that impacts our lives in countless ways. From food we eat to the medicine we take, organic chemistry is essential for understanding the world around us. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and a subscribe to the channel for more science content.
Let me know in the comments what other chemistry topics you'd like me to cover.
And always stay curious!
Thank you very much.